Hi, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today we want to make hierarchy chart in Word document. Let's say you are caught up in the middle of a project work and you need to make an hierarchy chart in Word document. How do you go about this? So the first thing is to go into insert. You go into insert, then you see smart art. Smart art, you click on smart art, then you go to hierarchy. So you click on hierarchy, then you choose any one you love from this hierarchy. Okay, for this project I will pick this, then I will click OK. Now I have my hierarchy chart in Word document. How do I go about it? Let's imagine that I want to make a chart of project manager So let me just type some things here. Project manager. Now you will notice that the first dot here is not in line with the second dot here. This is simply telling you that the second dot here is under the project manager. So I will go to the second line here. So under the project manager, I have the hardware leader. So it's as simple as that. Hardware leader. You will see under the hardware leader too, we have two dots already, and that is what you can see in the shape here. But close to the hardware leader, we have another variable here in the same line with the hardware leader, which is software leader. So let us type software leader here. I'm just making this as a sketch for us. So let's imagine that we have another pattern here, or let's say another grouping there. So what you just need to do is press backspace, and then you have it to be 3. Now let's say the third one is production leader. Production leader. Don't mind me, I'm typing with one hand. So production leader. Now under hardware leader, let's come back to under hardware leader. I have engineer 1, and we have under this we have engineer 2. Don't mind me, I'm trying to type with one hand. So after then, under software leader 2, you press enter. Now after pressing enter, you see that it's not falling under software. What you need to do is to press tab, then you see automatically something appear under it. Okay, let's imagine that under software leader we don't have anything, so we delete this again. So you cancel this out. So that means under software leader there's nothing there, but software we have. Okay, let's set this back. Now under the production leader, let's imagine that we have some other variables here. Let's say we have line leader, and we also have line leader 2. So you can continue like that till you have your own chart. So let me just stop here because we are just learning. Now you can see that I have my shape here, and I have easily made a flow chart without even stressing myself. So you can change this chart the way you want. You can come to the color, you can change the color. I can try to use this. You see it's looking good. And what other thing can I change? I can change the format. I can also change the format. So okay, I'm sorry, let's look. I want to change design. Let me change design. I'm trying to change the design. Okay, let me use this. You see we have several designs here. You can change it anyhow you want. So if you go back to the color, So I can decide to use this. You can manipulate it the way you want. Let's go back to the design. I don't know why this is not clicking here, maybe because I'm doing the recording at the same time. So but you can have 3D designs here, so the way you want it. So that is how easy it is to make a flowchart in Word document. If you have learned something from what I've done here, please subscribe to my channel. I really want to reach 200 subscribers. Thank you and have a nice day.